Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials. Xbox updated and signed into your Microsoft account. Once done, open Microsoft Edge from My Games and Apps or the store. This gets you a browser session. Make sure Edge has network access and you know the account you'll use for extensions. Otherwise, sign in. You're preparing the environment so extensions can be added smoothly. This avoids permission issues later and speeds the next steps. You now enable the features that let Edge accept extensions. Open Settings, enable developer or experimental flags if present, then request the desktop site. This exposes the add-on store interface. Next, browse the Microsoft Edge add-ons page. If an extension isn't listed, use a trusted CRX/XBI file host and a local file server or cloud link to sideload. Make sure you approve permissions when prompted. This is why desktop mode and developer flags matter for installability on Xbox. You finish by enabling the extension and reviewing its permissions in Edge's Extensions menu. Toggle it on and test functionality immediately. If it fails, restart Edge or reboot the console. This often resolves activation issues. Make sure Edge is up to date, clear cache, and reinstall the extension if needed. One key troubleshooting tip: if an extension requires desktop APIs not supported on Xbox, it may not work. Remove it and look for a web-friendly alternative instead.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.